Hey, welcome to today's show. You have a canoe rack, you don't want to put it on your truck because you can't get it in the garage when it's on. You have your canoe or your kayak on twice a year, so you don't get a canoe rack. It's a pain in the butt. So this is what I'm going to do. I have a Paragon cover, it's great. So you have the other canoe racks, they bolt inside, so you can't have your cover on and your canoe rack on. So I designed one, got a guy to make it. See if it fits in. Can you see that? It's in these pockets here. So let's put it on, see how it works. Alright, I've got them so they fit in the pockets. So it's aluminum. Let's go have a look at them. Alright, here they are. Oh, they're dirty, they're dusty, all dusty now. It's aluminum, 1.5 inches by 3/4, I think, here. It's gonna be great. Let's put them on. Fit in these pockets here. Here. Tighten them up. And I just put them in part way for now. And then this folds right up here. And it pins right. There. We'll do the other one. See how it goes. Alright, we're just going to cut these out. There. So we'll go in here. Okay, so we have them all on. Here. There and there. See how that bracket fits. Okay, here you see it's in. Just put the pin in part way. Go up like this and fold down like this. This foam will stop it from here, but I have these grommets I'll put on. Put some grommets. I'll just go right on here. Let's put these grommets on. See, they're both on temporary here. Go up like this. When you don't need them. Up when you need them. Down. Alright, there's my canoe rack that I had built. Still have it up with the cover on. You know, how good is that? You don't see too many of those. Today's video helped you build your own canoe rack or get someone to build it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, that'll be helpful to others. Thanks for watching. Later.